we'll guide you through how to undo in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once you have your project open, you might find yourself needing to undo a recent change. The simplest way to do this is by using the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and Z together if you're on Windows, or Command and Z if you're on a Mac. This will undo the last action you took. If you want to undo multiple actions, you can repeat this shortcut several times to go back through your recent history of changes. But let's say you're more of a menu person. You can also go to the top menu bar and click on Edit. From there, you'll see the option for Undo. Click on that, and it will reverse your last action. If you need to redo something you just undid, you can press Ctrl and Shift and Z on Windows, or Command and Shift and Z on a Mac. You can also find the Redo option under the Edit menu. It's important to know that DaVinci Resolve has a limit on how many actions you can undo, which is set in the preferences. So, if you find that you can't undo as many actions as you'd like, you might need to increase this limit in the settings. To do this, go to DaVinci Resolve in the top menu, then Preferences, and under User, select Undo Settings to adjust your preferences. Understanding these basic controls can really speed up your editing workflow and help you manage changes efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.